Hi. So, what I want to talk to you about right now is appreciation. Appreciation is the lubricant that makes all relationships flow. Authentic appreciation, where you're coming from being connected to yourself, being grounded, which you have been practicing throughout this time. So, to really come from appreciation, first of all, takes noticing. Notice what's working well. Our minds are so conditioned to look at what's not working, to look at where we're falling short, to look at where we're not up to par, to look at where others are not up to par. And the truth is that this only contributes to the detriment of your work environment, of your team. So take the time to be generous, to acknowledge one another, to appreciate, to say, wow, great job on that, and be specific. I really appreciate the attention you gave to ... Taking it to the next level of honesty, of being real, and of connecting. So when you're connected to yourself, you take time, you feel your feet on the ground, you feel the earth rising up to meet you. You take a deep breath, you roll your shoulders, you drop your shoulder blades down your back, and all of this is going to become really natural.